With this video, I want to provide you with valuable insights on how to strike a harmonious balance that promotes success, no matter the circumstances. Throughout the video, we delve into practical methods that have been proven effective in maintaining well-being while excelling academically. From time management techniques to stress-relieving exercises, we cover it all. By implementing these strategies, you'll be able to navigate the demands of academics without sacrificing your physical and mental health. I understand that every student is unique, so I address various scenarios that may challenge your study-life balance. Whether you're juggling multiple assignments, preparing for exams, or facing unexpected obstacles, here are some tips and tricks to help you maintain well-being while excelling academically, no matter what. Plan your time effectively. Create a schedule that includes dedicated study time, breaks, and time for self-care. Stick to your schedule and prioritize your tasks. Utilizing a tool like Google Calendar can be incredibly helpful for keeping track of your schedule and tasks. You can set reminders and notifications to ensure that you don't miss anything important. With a little bit of planning and dedication, you can effectively manage your time and achieve your academic goals. Using Google Calendar is a good option for that. Take care of your physical health. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious meals, and get enough sleep. Your body needs to be in prime condition to perform at its best. Exercise has been shown to release endorphins, which can elevate your mood and reduce stress. Eating a balanced diet can also improve your mental health, as certain nutrients are essential for brain function and can help regulate your emotions. And getting enough sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health. Practice self-care. Take time to relax and recharge. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's reading a book, taking a walk in nature, or listening to music. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's a necessity. Especially during times of stress or uncertainty. By engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, you are able to reduce stress levels and improve your mood. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity for a healthy and balanced life. Set realistic goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out supportive friends and family members who will encourage you to keep going. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Remember that mistakes and failures are a natural part of the process, and they do not define you. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Avoid burnout. Listen to your body and mind. Take breaks when you need them, and don't push yourself to the point of exhaustion. Remember, it's better to take a step back and recharge than to burn out completely. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of daily life and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Develop effective study techniques. Experiment with different study methods to find what works best for you. Whether it's flashcards, summarizing information, or teaching concepts to someone else, discovering your ideal study approach can make learning more engaging and less stressful. It's helpful to actively engage with the material you're studying. This can involve asking questions, making connections to real-life situations, and taking notes. Don't be afraid to reach out to your teachers or classmates for help if you're struggling with a particular subject. Balance your online presence. While technology is a valuable tool for learning and connecting with others, it's essential to find a balance. Limit your screen time, especially before bedtime, to improve the quality of your sleep. Additionally, be mindful of the content you consume online, focusing on educational and inspirational material that enriches your knowledge and mindset. Practice digital mindfulness. Before clicking or scrolling, pause and ask yourself why you're engaging with a particular piece of content. Are you seeking information, entertainment, or connection? Mindfully choose what you consume online, and be aware of how it affects your emotions and mindset. Remember, success is not just measured by academic achievements but also by your overall well-being. Stay connected with our channel for more empowering videos and valuable resources. Subscribe now and embark on a journey towards achievement.